Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm back at it making another video. This is it's not a full review, but I want to compare this STP maximum life oil filter. See right there, I'm trying to make it focus because earlier it wasn't even focusing. So maximum life. So this is the AutoZone's new oil filter. Previously they had a blue can and the black can. The black one was extended life, good for 10,000 miles, but this new one is a silver can. And then it says right there, diseñado para durar 15,000 millas, which translates to engineered to last up to 15,000 miles. So yeah, this is a really good filter that could last a long time. The Pure Later Boss also lasts 15,000 miles. Wix XP, I'm sure it can too. It doesn't state that. I think it does, but like it's on the fine print. Let me see. Oh, it says typically 3,750 to 10,000 miles, not to exceed 12 months. So yeah, so just keep that in mind. But I'm gonna focus on this STP one because I'm trying to find videos on YouTube about like people dissecting this filter, but I guess no person has ever dissected one. So I mean, I guess I could be the first one. So, well, one thing I do want to point out is that a lot of people don't really bat an eye, but this gasket right here, this is a what's it called, ethylene acrylic. This is also ethylene acrylic, but with the Wix XP, this is rubber. I'm not saying that rubber is bad, but like ethylene acrylic does withstand hotter temperatures, and it doesn't deteriorate as fast as rubber. So just keep that in mind. This ethylene acrylic, if you guys drive along, if you guys don't change your oil often, like probably like in 6 months or maybe even a whole year, ethylene acrylic is pretty good. So that's the gasket. A lot of people don't bat an eye, but just give it props for its job. So silicone anti-drain back valve on all 3 cylinders, no, not cylinders, filters. So yeah, I don't want to make this too long because I just want to focus on the STP maximum life. And I just want to say that all these filters go on a 1988 Honda Civic. So yeah, I'm just gonna be dissecting these because I know there's videos on Wix XP, Pure Later Boss. So I mean, just this one, alright guys? So stay tuned, I'm gonna dissect it in a bit, and thank you for watching. See you in the next slide. Alright, so I ended up dissecting this. So this is the can itself. As you could see, kind of flexible. Base plates, they're typical base plate. There's not too much, like there's not much to it. The threads, the holes, the gasket, how I said earlier, is ethylene acrylic, so just keep that in mind. Silicone anti-drain back valve. I'm trying to make it to focus because man, it doesn't really focus. So you know, silicone, you guys know what it does is it also withstands heat and cold, mostly heat, better than rubber. So this is the spring on the bottom. It was when I took it off, it was like that. The filter, like any other oil filter, then this, and then like that. So that's how it was all together. So base plate, the anti-drain back valve, the filter media, which we'll get to in a minute, and then this base plate. I mean, I don't have a problem with these sort of base plates. Some people like the springs, some people prefer these. I'm whatever about it because if you think about it, like it kind of spreads, the inside, it spreads on the sides instead of just the middle with the normal spring. But I mean, I don't see any benefit or like any flaw, but they both do the same job. So this is where the magic happens. As you could see, I'm trying to make it focus, but there's like dimples on the filter media. If you guys could see that. Where's the joint? So that's the joint right there, like where the media meets together. So, and then it also has this the bypass valve, just in case you know what it does, just in case oil doesn't filter through the media, it goes through here. So it is not wire backed. It does, yeah, it's not wire backed. I can't cut that open, but I'm just pointing that out. As you guys can see, the glue right here is like a white glue. I don't know what that white glue is made out of, but some are black, some are white. Not exactly white. It's like a milky substance, like not even a milk, dude. It's like a, I don't know. It just looked like a brownish white, kind of like a light caramel or something like that. So yeah, this is the medium. I mean, it feels pretty strong. Like if I squeeze it, it's pretty hard. I mean, it did bend right there, so like the wire backing on other filters would, but I mean, I'm putting a lot of pressure on it. Like your oil wouldn't put that much pressure. But yeah, this is the media. I mean, I don't know what it's made out of. I mean, it is white, so it must be like synthetic media. I don't know if it's a synthetic blend, because I know the Wix XP and the Purelator Boss, they do state it's full synthetic. But I mean, I guess it has to be full synthetic to last 15,000 miles. So that's pretty much it. The dimples, as you can see. So yeah, this filter was like 11 or 12 bucks, but I had to cut it open so it don't work no more. But it's an investment for you guys, for science and all that. So yeah, this is a good filter. Like I definitely want to give it a shot. I'm gonna buy another one, give it a shot. I don't know when, but eventually I will. Alright, so thank you very much. That's pretty much it. I don't want to make the video too long, so hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh man, thank you very much.